Welcome, everyone. It's Sherry Carroll to bring you the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Happy Hello. And I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 stamp set. This is also titled Happy Hello, and it features some really nice mod flowers and birds. These are great solid images that you can use your positively saturated inks with. There are also some larger messages that you can go across a card, and a fantastic border that you can stamp repeatedly for fantastic pattern. To go with the stamp set, we're also including a Happy Wishes die, and this is a two-part die that you have the inner words and the outer shadow. We're also including a full-size ink pad of the Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated ink, and this is Tide Pool. It's a beautiful teal blue. And remember, we also have those labels at the bottom for easy identification when you're storing them. Also included in this kit is a jar of the Tim Holtz embossing glaze, either in speckled egg or salvage patina. This is salvage patina, and it is a really beautiful color that you can use with embossing ink. We're also going to include a mini ink cube of the Tim Holtz Distress embossing ink so that you can do your embossing. And to protect your hands while you're doing your heat embossing, we are also including a pair of the Simon Says Stamp Teal Hot Hands. We have some gorgeous papers for you for this kit, and these are by Simple Stories. It's their wildflower collection. These are 6x8 double-sided papers, and they are just perfect to kickstart your spring card making. The colors are soft and delicate, and they really mix and match well together. There's large sheets that you can cut up and add to a card, and then some simple designs on the back side. There are some teals, these are some tigers, and then some really beautiful flowers in gold. Also a really beautiful motif background with teal, and on the back side sprigs in gray. There's also a full sheet that is live and grow. You can cut out those elements and use them with the pink flowers on the back side. There's really a beautiful light colored yellow motif with pink butterflies on the back and some large pink tigers, and you can cut this in half to get two different cards since the image is the same upside down as it is right side up. And the back side has a smaller pattern of those tigers. Another great yellow sheet that has some white roses, and on the back side is a gray sheet with star patterns. And then there are these little small panels that you can cut up and add to your cards with a beautiful teal backside, another panel that you can cut up, and on the back side of that is a pink gingham. If you'd like to jump into some Easter card making, we're also including a sheet of the Craft Consortium Bunnies 6x6 paper. You will also get one of the Simon Says Stamp A2 metallic white envelopes, and those do have a peel-away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. We have 3 cardstocks for you. First is 100-pound Peacock, and then we also have 100-pound Smoke and 110 Nina White cardstock. And to finish this kit, we have the Simon Says Stamp zipper mesh bag, and this has a really nice enclosure. This will fit all the contents of your kit, including your 8.5 by 11 papers, so you can keep everything together while you're creating, and the colors will vary by kit. And up next, I have some inspiration for you from our designers. Joseph Savith used the main image from the stamp set and did his embossing, and then a little ink blending around the outside of the design. Nina Marie created a beautiful card using the Happy Wishes die and champagne cardstock, along with pattern papers and a message from the stamp set. I created a watermark inked background using the embossing ink and then added some happy wishes and a flower on top with some sequins. And finally, Susie Plantamera stamped the individual flowers in beautiful bright colors for her background and used the Happy Wishes die on top to complete her card. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our Happy Hello card kit. I do have some links below in the description box on how you can purchase this kit, along with a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.